Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer crypto from Exodus to Kraken. So first of all, we need to generate an address in order to transfer crypto from Exodus. So we're gonna go ahead to our Kraken, hit portfolio. Let's say I want to transfer Bitcoin, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna generate an address, or I'm gonna generate a Bitcoin address. Inside, under balance, you're gonna find withdraw. Just hit, or excuse me, not withdraw. Hit deposit. And select your network and make sure it matches the one you're using on Exodus, and hit I understand. An address will be generated. Just copy that address, go ahead to your Exodus wallet and select Bitcoin if you deposited or if you funded Bitcoin. Inside, you're gonna find send button. Just hit it on the bottom left. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just add the address that we generated from Kraken and send it. Just because I didn't fund my Bitcoin, or I didn't fund my Bitcoin wallet on Exodus, I won't be able to make that transaction. But if you have a couple Bitcoins, or half a Bitcoin, whatever, just go ahead and follow along the steps and then add the address that we generated from Kraken, and basically that's it, right? Make sure the network is the same. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.